Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the Fiat 500 turn signal light bulb. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the Fiat 500 turn signal light. What happened the other day, I was going to take my Fiat 500 for its annual state safety inspection, and guess what? As soon as I get to the safety inspection site, I saw this. Show them, Brenna. My daughter is here today to help me. I saw that light right there. Hold on. There you go. That light's right there. I mean, that light is a TPMS sensor that I need to replace, which is fine. But that light, I was like, what is going on? And the thing is, the turn signal light is started to blink very rapidly. That's just a seat belt, so that's fine. But look at this. And then I checked the, come here, Rana, show them again. The right signal light, I was like, it's not turning as rapid as the left driver's side. So I was like, okay, so the first thing that you want to do is, how do you diagnose it? Okay, I'll be back and I'll show it to you. Hi everyone, this is how you diagnose it. You just turn the car on, and then you let's check the passenger side. So I'm gonna turn the signal light on the passenger side, and come on here, Brenna. As you can see, it's blinking, so we don't have a problem with that. And then let's check the driver's side. The thing is, when the light bulb is gone, it will blink very rapidly because there's no resistance anymore in the electronic. So yeah, it will blink. And then we're gonna go to the front. This is what the Virginia State Inspection, this is how they do it. They will check, and then if your light is not on, that's gonna fail the inspection. I mean, the light bulb is broken. So we're gonna turn the car off once you identify which side needs to be replaced. I'll be back. Okay, what you want to do, since it is the driver's side, you want to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, so the wheel will be pointing that way. Show them, Brenda. That way. So, but if it is on the passenger side, you want to turn the wheel all the way to the left, so the wheel will be pointing that way. The thing is, the location of the bulb is right here. So, show them, Brenda. The cover of my Fiat 500 apparently is missing. So, but if your cover is still here, there is a latch. You just have to push it and then pull the cover, and it'll be right here in this another cover, this circle cover. Can I see it right here? So what you want to do, you just have to turn it to the left, like that, to the left, and you pull it out. This round cover right there. So what you want to do, and then come in, Rena. There are two lights. The bottom one is the turn signal light, and the one on the top is your daytime running light. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, we don't want to remove that one. So what you want to do, you grab it like right here, and then you turn it to the right, and no, to the left, sorry, and then you wiggle it up, and voila, the light is out right there. So okay, this is the replacement light. It's SYLVANIA 7444NA. I will put everything in the description where you can buy the correct one. So now that the signal light is out, you just have to pull it out. See, it's gonna look like that. This one is broken, so it's no good anymore. And make sure you get the yellow one. There you go. Just get the new one. and then just want to plug it back in. Make sure the signal light is on before you put things back. Okay, what happened is once you take all the cover and the signal light is not on, you know, it's pain in the neck to put it back. So once you confirm that the signal light is on, you just plug it back in. There you go. And make sure don't forget this, because so the water won't mess up your lights here. So just turn it to the right. Oh, hold on. There you go. Perfect. So yeah, we're good. So anyway, that's how you change the turn signal light on your Fiat 500. And you can also do this for your daytime running light, which is the top part. So yeah, I will put everything in the description, how you can where you can buy this. So anyway, make sure you like this video and share it for your friends and family who have Fiat 500. If they ask you, hey, how do you change the signal light or the daytime running lights? Yeah, the difference is, come here, Brenda. The daytime running light is the one on the top, and the signal light is the one in the bottom. So anyway, love you guys. Bye.